Hi, I am Aditya Krishna. I am 9 years old. COVID and lockdown changed many things for me. No, not only me, every student out there. With school shut down, we cannot meet our friends or play with them anymore. There are no more lunch breaks, trips or events. So what did I do? Here is my story. In March 2020, due to spread of COVID, India forced into lockdown. So every school has been closed. I should stay at home. So what is next? I always say, train your mind and heart to see good in everything. There is always something to be thankful for. When my parents go out, they wear masks, and when they come back to home, they wash their hands. And some people practice to take better care of their health, and some people make masks and sell it. Because of that, they can get some money. I can see the nature, it's healing itself, and the air is so clean. And we can see Himalaya from Jalandhar. For the first time in ages, I can see Ganga river is clean to take bath, and the cities are getting peaceful. Even the animals start visiting the mall. To get away from the pandemic, me and my brother shifted to our grandparents' village. The environment was very clean and the sunlight was touching every room of the house, and it was very airy. I got a chance to live with my grandparents, also the other families, and the people who were living there were lovely and connected to each other. During our life in city, we never knew that we will have so much of fun together. My grandmother cooks healthy food, but in city I used to eat junk food. So I shifted to eat healthy food. I can see all the work which my father and mother do. My mother do not want us to be sick, so she learned hair cutting and cut hair for us. And my father started cooking and he does yummy jamun. Though I can't go to school, I attend online classes. Online classes like coding, drawing and other activities. It's nice, but I can't hide my homeworks anymore. It has been more than a year since pandemic and many things have changed. When I wake up early in the morning, I clean up my room and I learn many indoor games and play it with my brother. And when I sit for my breakfast, I wait for my father's yummy egg dosa. Because of the online classes, my parents can know my strength and weakness. They improve my education. And after the pandemic, I started eating healthy food. So I got my little muscles. There are 3 things I learned over this time. First, my parents are doing many things without complaining. I'm inspired by them and start helping them. Second, we should protect our environment, and during the pandemic, the nature is getting repair itself from the damage which we done. It's our responsibility to take care of this nature. Lastly, the pandemic found the human spirit. It has given me the confidence. If any bad things happen, we can always unite and overcome the challenges.